Who's going to win this video game?
This is weird. I don't know what I'm trying.
And the puppy.
That's funny.
What are we gonna name him?
We gotta figure out a name for him. Call him Tears. We was gonna call him Rocky, but that's stupid.
Aww.
That's all he would do
Yeah,
outside,
that's a stupid
Connor,
name.
is eat the rocks.
Look at
Go
Rocky.
outside, he just starts eating rocks.
I can't, Mom.
Call him GD, garbage disposal.
Jeez, honey.
That's fantastic.
We got him like this is ours. No.
I saw it right
We
here.
got him like
Red one.
That is precious.
We've been depriving him all these years.
Alright, somebody's got my camera.
You're just lying.
Oh, lying.
Yes.
Julie, did you take a picture?
What? Don't worry, you're gonna have plenty of time to play, Nano. Not play games on your phone, Nano.
No,
What's you gonna play?
because I think
He's 12 weeks old. We thought he was 10, but we looked at his birthday. He's 12 weeks old.
Thank you for playing my toy.
Look here.
Claire,
You can even see the tears.
Check out the dog. Right?
can I have my card?
Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
Me?
There you go.
Enjoy the dog.
It's the drugs.
You gotta get in there somehow. You want to try this too, Jewel?
He pooped.
Yeah, we got him to pee twice and poop once down back
Yeah, I said, Linda, I think he has to go to the bathroom.
back.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe we'll just cut it out. Didn't she take him
Oh
outside?
no, look, his eyes black.
He's got the dripping.
You can tell on the brick
Great, we have
wall.
another
Crying
Uzi.
too! The puppy's crying too!
No way.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, these puppies.
Puppies don't cry.
He's just pretending. to
Yeah,
be
he is.
He's crying.
He's crying. Unless that's your tear on him.
That's crying tears. Crying on my dog. But turning him into a sissy.
They're gonna start. I'm gonna start crying.
Woody wins again! Yay!
Oh man. He's gonna fall asleep on you. He's so tired.
My turn to win again.
This is
See?
way better than
My
that
turn
monkey
to win
moment.
again.
We have that forever.
What is it?
We have it forever.
I said it's way better than that monkey moment. I'm shaking the monkey's head. Oh yeah.
That was awesome. That was gold. Oh my gosh.
Life-changing moment.
This dog.
Go ahead.
He's like, I don't know what to do. Oh man.
Well, we have to go to
Should we take it back first?
We got
No.
no, it's
Oh man.
We all know this. And that's why I thought so too. But I'm like, I figured we won't be eating till 9 o'clock.
Oh, he went up the stairs.
Fine.
He has a difficulty with the stairs.
And I thought she was going to be here every place I go. They won't have a storm photo.
That's glorious. This is the most beautiful, beautiful moment in my life.
A little bit.
Connor, you want to feed him?
Yeah.
It'll get cleaned up before you feed my dog.
Aw. You bring so much joy already. Who's that?